What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking the bike off the lift. That's correct, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be taking the bike off of the lift. The first time, and I guess this thing's been on the lift for a little over a month now. So I got new tires on it. Everything on here is new chain, sprocket, everything is good. Axles are greased. It's just, she's ready. I went ahead and I took the liberty of putting this cover back on. I had to readjust a couple things. I cleaned up the sprocket behind that a little bit. I put the chain guard back on, but if you notice, see this little thing right here? This, yeah, if I were to spin the wheel around, you'll probably see from down below, you'll see that part of the wheel itself wants to touch it. Here comes right there. You probably can't see, but this little notch in the wheel on the sprocket keeps touching that chain guard. I mean, it's not going to do that long after I ride it and just tear it away, but somehow I guess I got to put some heat to it maybe and bend it back in place. I mean, it's not a threat, but really it should just ride right there. But I think it's possible I might have the chain just a little bit too tight. So what I'll do is, after I drop the bike down to the ground, I'm actually going to loosen up the sprocket just a smidge and knock it forward a little bit and see if I can get a little bit more slack in that chain. So let me go ahead and lower it down. Folks, I'll let this thing sit and idle for a while, so it should be nice and warm. Choke is all the way in, so we're gonna go ahead and take it for a maiden run, see how this thing reacts. Quick fire up like that. Now, I made some adjustments when the wheels were off, and so the adjustments include the rear brakes, the chain, because that's new, so everything's going to have to settle in. But let's see what happens. Easily pops in gear, so that's good. Ha. All right. Front brakes, I'm good. Rear brakes, we're good. All right. Oh, it's so smooth. It is smoother than it was before. All right, rear brake only. Whoa, yeah, we're good. Oh man, this thing is so responsive. Oh yeah, we're good. There's neutral. There's a cruise. She's idling. Very, very smooth. Second. clicking you hear? This stupid chain guard. But this is what happens when you firstly grease your bearings. You just coast forever. This is so nice. I'm not even on the throttle, y'all. Oh man. All right, hang on, I gotta get some. Oh, I am so happy with this. I'm gonna have to fix that chain guard though. That's gonna irritate the crap out of me. All right. I'm pretty happy. All right, folks, I will see you when I get back to the house. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the house. The bike rode fantastic. This tire is super sticky. Oh, it's super. Jeez, it's super sticky. When I go to take off, this tire does not spin like the old one does. The chain, I noticed it does have some slack to it, and it rested, or it settled, so I'm going to make some adjustments to it when I'm done. A huge shout out to Caltrick, guys. I mean, y'all are fantastic. Thank you so much for getting the chain and the sprocket set up to me as quick as you did. Y'all have fantastic customer service, so I just want to give you guys a quick shout out for that. I'm going to need to make some adjustments on this because this thing, the chain guard keeps running up against the wheel, and you can hear it. It's annoying. I need to make some adjustment in the shock rebound for a better ride. I noticed cruising down the neighborhood, around the neighborhood, at a certain gear and the right RPM, my RPMs are much lower. I noticed a difference in the behavior of the bike because of that taller gear, so that's awesome. All right, so one other thing I wanted to add is I think it's like within the next 3 videos that are coming out, one of them being the part 2 for my truck about the transmission, the gear ratio incorrect. Y'all do not want to miss that video. That one's going to be very important. I'm not going to be doing the explanation toward what happened to the truck. I just got back with, or why it went to the transmission shop. I've got a good deal going on with those guys, and they agreed to have a chat with me and explain to y'all what they found with Chloe. So stick around for that. Don't miss it. The next video after that, I'm actually going to be covering the reason why the engine pops and crackles and sometimes backfires. Reason being is carburetor synchronization. I never synced up the carbs, which is why I bought these, as you guys saw in the previous video, if you watched it. These are carburetor synchronization gauges. You hook these up to the carbs and they synchronize them. The reason why I know that the carbs are 100% out of sync is when I had it idling and running, on the left side of the bike, those 2 pipes were like 220 degrees. I had a laser thermometer, I aimed it at it. And then the pipes on the right side were like 180 degrees. So it tells me the pipes on the right side, that whole right side is burning rich, while the left side is burning lean, and they need to be equal. And I'll explain all that in that video. So just know we need to sync up these carburetors. I bought the tools for them. I had a special carburetor adjustment tool. It's a weird little thing. The video after that, I'm actually going to be doing the repairs on this. This is the rear fender for this bike. It is cracked in the plastic, so I'm going to have to do plastic welding, which I've never done before. So we're going to learn together. So that's basically it, guys. That's, you know, the whole rundown of the bike. She's now on the ground. It's moving around. That's cool. It's powerful. Ugh. Powerful. It handles very well. But yeah, that's going to be it for tonight and for this evening's video. Now, before I conclude this video, I want to give a shout out to my uncle for being the donator to the GoPro 9 for my channel. Thank you so much for that. It has been a major help. I also want to send a shout out to my sponsor, AUXITOLED. If you guys want to improve the look and the performance of the lighting on your vehicle, please go check out AUXITOLED. The link to their website is in my description down below. And whenever you guys go there, if you want to purchase anything, don't forget to use coupon code SVCruiseIt to get 15% off your purchase. And finally, before I say anything else, if y'all's grandma is still around, grandma or grandpa, go up to them, hug them, and tell them that you love them, because you never know that if you're going to have tomorrow. You know, tomorrow is never promised. And as for me, Grandma Karen, I love you. Dad, I love you. Which, by the way, I'm trying to see if I can get things all squared away so I can get up to Ohio and help you out a little bit more on that 1955 Dodge. If you guys are interested in that, please let me know down below. I'm still going to try to get some video footage for that and put it all together, because my dad's putting together a rather interesting combo for this truck. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this evening's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check out AUXITOLED. Make sure you do that. Use the coupon code SVCruiser for the 15% off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Good night.